Death Stranding 51003 error problem solved. How to fix error code 51003 in Death Stranding. So before move to the video, it is our request to subscribe our channel by pressing bell icon. Death Stranding 51003 error problem solved. In this video, I am talking about 110 Death Stranding error code 51003. How to fix the server unstable issue. With these tips, get rid of Death Stranding error code 51003 and get back in the game in no time. Few tricks you can try out. Number one, find the power cable to the modem and or router and unplug it for 60 seconds. Number two, reboot your console or PC. If they don't work, don't switch it. Error code 51003 is a server side issue, but it doesn't hurt to try your own troubleshooting for the sake of thoroughness. Even error can be wrong. Error code 51003. Seemingly, the error code is a result of overloaded game server. Since Death Stranding is currently free on Epic Games Store, a large number of players claimed the free copy, resulting in unprecedented server traffic. Death Stranding error code 51003 can pop up while you are playing or trying to get into an online game. It is accompanied by error message that reads, connection to Death Stranding game server is unstable, switching to the offline mode. Try it. So if it is helpful, write in comments and subscribe our channel. Press bell icon that we will meet again and again. Thanks for watching. Bye.